And we'll talk about that shortly in terms of jurisdiction and scope of the law. In terms of perhaps the more transformative, substantive changes in the law, they could be categorized as follows. One is it's a more kind of a gender-neutral divorce provisions, is an additional options for divorce and make it a little easier for women to apply for divorce than perhaps would have been the case under the previous law. Then also the custody decisions that are based now on interests of the child and not fixed age, and this is perhaps one of the most transformative and substantive changes in the law for a lot of families who live in the UAE, because until this law was introduced, custody in particular was very much defined based on the child's age. So now that all those provisions are just no more, they're no longer in the law, and now the focus is what is in the best interest of the child, and that's how custody is now decided. And then the third, again, fairly transformative, provisions in the law. We'll have to see how it applies in practice, because, as I mentioned, again, the law only kicked in April 15th, so we have not seen this specific law be applied yet.